Hi everyone, my name is Jocelyn with Life at UCR and welcome to our Art Tour series where we're taking you across the colleges and schools of UC Riverside. Today I'm here with
I'm Hong An. I'm a fourth-year education major here at the SOE at UCR.
and today we're going to take you on a tour of the School of Education. Come on, let's go. So what's one thing people don't know about the School of Education?
All education majors participate in 40 hours of community-engaged learning. You're taking what we're learning in classes and you're actually getting the hands-on experience.
On that note, let's go see more facilities. So what are the opportunities for student research?
If you're interested in research, just reach out to your professors. We have a research clinic here related to autism spectrum disorder. I'm an undergraduate mentor in the care lab and just network with your peers.
Speaking of, let's go see the student lounges. And how does SOE help incoming students?
We have our first year and our transfer seminars where you get adjusted to UCR and the School of Education as well.
That's really helpful. Let's go see more. And now we're in the Dean's Suite. So, can you tell me something that makes the School of Education so special?
The School of Ed is really focused on building equitable education systems, and that's built on some of our core values such as evidence, compassion, and community. And even as an undergrad, you can really see that compassion and community.
That seems like a really encouraging workspace. What degrees does the School of Education offer?
For undergrads, we have our education major, which has 2 different concentrations, social justice and also learning behavioral studies. If you want to go on and pursue graduate school, we also have master's programs, and that includes teacher education program.
And all offered at UCR. That's all for now. Thanks for joining us. Bye!